Well, hello my dear creative, and welcome to this YouTube video where I want to quickly show you my nice little sketchbook that I filled in completely while I was in Europe, in particular in Copenhagen and in Paris. The majority of drawings you find here are Parisian. So I took this little guy everywhere I went. So it was with me in cafes, in restaurants, museums. So while I was waiting for my order, I quickly sketched. A pencil, black liner, and a couple of colored markers were always with me wherever I went, and that's how I created all these drawings. And I want to really inspire you to purchase a nice small little sketchbook that can fit even in the smallest handbag that you have, because when you have this guy with you all the time, it's inevitable that you will sketch more often. By the way, this sketch with blue chair I did in Hotel Ritz in Paris. Here you can see a lot of even unfinished sketches, but I love them because they represent life. They reflect these beautiful moments of life, art de vivre, like French say. And it's so lovely because it's even better than photos on your iPhone from the places you visited, because here I can transcend my emotions. I can sketch feelings, and photos will never reflect all this wide range of emotions and expressions and inspirations that you had on this particular day. Like in Louvre, this sketch I did in Louvre, and I still remember all these crowds there. I remember how I struggled to do this sketch there, but still I enjoyed this day in life. Alright, so at the end I would like to write that this sketchbook is primarily from Paris, where I was in April 2019. Alright, so thank you so much. Please share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and please let me know in the comments below if you sketch during your trips or are you considering to start sketching. Alright, bye for now.